The remote start feature on your 2017-2020 Nissan Pathfinder allows you to start the engine from a distance to preheat or cool the cabin. It operates via radio frequency signals from the key fob to the vehicle's engine control module, ECM. This guide provides a quick overview of how to use this feature effectively. To activate remote start, first press and hold the lock button padlock icon on your key fob for 2 to 3 seconds. Then, quickly press the remote start button circular arrow icon twice within 1 second. The vehicle should respond with horn beeps or light flashes to confirm activation. Ensure the key fob is within 200 to 300 feet of the vehicle. For remote start to work on your 2017-2020 Nissan Pathfinder, the key fob must be programmed to your specific vehicle at a Nissan dealer. This ensures proper authentication and security. The key fob uses a CR2032 lithium coin battery, which typically lasts 1 to 2 years under normal use. Replace the battery if you experience issues with remote start functionality. A weak or failing battery is one of the most common causes of remote start failure. To prevent issues, regularly check that the battery voltage is greater than 3 volts. A voltage reading below this threshold indicates the battery needs replacement. The remote start system includes several important safety features to prevent accidents and battery drain. First, the engine will automatically shut down after 10 minutes to conserve battery power and prevent overheating. Second, the engine shuts down immediately if any door is opened, ensuring the vehicle doesn't run unattended. Third, this feature is only compatible with automatic transmissions. For manual transmission models, the vehicle must be in neutral with the parking brake engaged. If remote start fails on your Nissan Pathfinder, check these common issues. First, ensure the fuel level is not low, as the system prevents remote start when fuel is critically low. Second, verify the engine is not already running, as remote start will not activate if the vehicle is already on. Third, check that the key fob battery is not weak, as low battery power can prevent signal transmission. Fourth, extreme weather conditions below -20°F or -29°C may prevent remote start from functioning for safety reasons. Finally, consider using the Nissan Connect app for remote start if key fob signals are unreliable, providing an alternative method. Nissan Connect allows remote start from anywhere with cellular service, offering a more reliable alternative to the key fob's RF range. Ensure your Nissan Connect app is updated to the latest version for optimal compatibility. Some older versions had issues with Bluetooth connectivity, but updates have improved this. The automotive industry is shifting towards smartphone-based remote features, making vehicle control more convenient and integrated with daily life. While traditional key fobs are still functional for remote start, smartphone apps are becoming increasingly common for their ease of use and additional features. Future Nissan electric vehicles incorporate advanced remote start features through smartphone apps, including geofencing capabilities that can automatically start the vehicle based on your location. Experts predict that traditional key fobs could become obsolete by 2030, replaced entirely by smartphone and biometric systems for vehicle access and control. To minimize security risks with your Nissan Pathfinder's remote start, be aware of potential relay attacks. These are rare, but can compromise the system by intercepting and relaying signals between your key fob and vehicle. Consider using shielded parking when possible to protect against such attacks. Parking garages with cameras and barriers can block relay signals effectively. Regularly check for software updates from Nissan to ensure your vehicle has the latest security patches. These updates enhance encryption and protect against vulnerabilities. Also, be aware of any recalls related to the remote start system, such as NHTSA campaign number 24V-345, which targeted 2018 to 2020 Pathfinder models. Check for free repairs to maintain security.